How to change Siri name in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on accessibility. Now scroll down and here you can see the option vocal shortcuts. Now click on vocal shortcuts and then click on setup vocal shortcuts. Now click on continue and then click on Siri request. Enter your Siri request like Mr. John. Mr. John. Mr. John. Mr. John. Mr. John. And then click on continue. Now here we will try Mr. John. Mr. John.
There's no one in your contacts.
Now it works properly. So this is the way to change Siri name in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.